lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, in today's recipe I'm going to be showing you how I make my delicious and inviting Efo Riro. If you want to see how to make this delicacy, please do stay tuned as I take you through all the list of the ingredients. Yeah, so I'm going to be using 3 spinach. You can use frozen spinach or any vegetable of your choice. And I'm also going to be using some sweet chili pepper. And if you don't have this long sweet chili pepper, you can use your red bell pepper. So I'm also going to be using 3 scotch bonnet pepper. You can adjust it to how you like your food to be spicy. I'm using some dried thyme to season off my beef, some onion, iru known as locust beans, and some chicken stock powder. And I'm also going to be needing some curry powder, red palm oil, salt, and you can use any protein of your choice. So I'm also going to need some crayfish powder. Right now I have washed and chopped my sweet chili pepper, and I'm just going to roughly blend it with my food processor. And make sure you don't add water to yours when you're blending it. That's why I'm using my food processor, because if you add water on it, it's going to come out very smooth. So you can see how I roughly blend it. That's how I want it to be. So at this moment, I will get my spinach and I will start by chopping it to my desired size. And you have to make sure your spinach is properly washed before chopping it. You have to make sure you thoroughly wash it with enough water. So right now I'm done with the spinach. I'm just going to get my pot and I'll be adding in some palm oil. So I'm going to preheat the palm oil for just a minute or 2, as I'm not going to be bleaching it. I'm not going to leave it to overcook. At this moment, I'm going to throw in my onion. You can see the oil is not very hot, so that's how I want it to be, so I can get that nice flavor from my Efo Riro when I'm eating it. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of iru, which is the locust beans. And I'm going to be adding in my blended crayfish. So right now I'm going to be adding my roughly blended peppers. And at this moment I'm just going to give it a stir and make sure my fire is on a high heat. The reason why you need your fire to be on a high heat is you need your paste to get cooked with a high heat of fire, so it does not bring up water when you're cooking it. So that's why I'm just going to put it on a high heat and make sure I keep on giving it a stir like every minute or 2. So my sauce have been cooking for some minutes, and I'm still here giving it a stir thoroughly as I don't want it to get burnt. So right now I'm going to be adding a little salt. I'm going to be adding 1 chicken stock powder, as I already used 1 to parboil my beef. So I'm going to allow the sauce to get cooked. By the time it is cooked, you will notice you have more oil at the top. That is when you know your sauce is well cooked. But in total, I allowed mine to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, so that's how you want it to look like. You can see all the oil have come up. So I just added a little bit of curry powder. And I'm going to allow it to cook more for about 3 minutes. So you can see right now I have more oil at the top. That tells you that my sauce have cooked very well, and it is ready to, it is well dried up, and now I can start adding in my beef and my spinach. But at this moment, I'm just going to allow the beef to cook on the sauce for extra 3 to 5 minutes. So the beef will absorb all the nice taste from the sauce. So right now I'm going to set my pot of sauce aside, and I'm going to get another pan, and I'm going to preheat the pan. So I'm just going to allow the pot to get hot a bit, and I'm going to be adding some spinach on it. So the reason why I am putting in my spinach on a hot pan is to help my spinach to drain off some little water, as I don't want excess water on my Efo Riro. If you like, you can skip this part, but I like to steam my spinach when I'm making Efo Riro for just 30 seconds to 1 minute, not for a long time, maximum just a minute. All I just need is for the spinach to drain off some excess water. So this is how I want it to be. I'm going to put it on a sieve right now, and I will continue with the other part of the spinach. So right now I'm done. I'm just going to pour in the spinach on my red sauce or stew, anyone you want to call it, and I'm going to give it a nice stir. I'm just going to allow it to cook for just 30 seconds, and that's it. I'll switch my fire up, and I'm ready to rock my Efo Riro with pounded yam, plantain swallow, rice, yam, any food of your choice, guys. This soup can rock any food of your choice that you want to enjoy with it. So at this moment, I'm just going to say a very big thank you for watching this video. Please, if it's your first time here and you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe. Click on the bell icon that goes with it so you'll be notified anytime I post new video. And also, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment for me letting me know if you love this recipe or not. Thank you very much for watching. Till I see you on my next recipe, do have a lovely day. Do have a wonderful day. Till I see you again, have a lovely day. Bye.